This is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store and also make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, of course. Or, well, if you prefer using mobile data, so be it. Doesn't matter, Wi-Fi or cellular data as long as you have an internet connection. Then at the search bar, type in the Opera query. Then once the app is found, to initiate or initialize its installation by tapping at the respective install button. So as you can see, the Opera was installed successfully, so now we gotta launch it. And while opening Opera for the first time, you will need to set it up slightly. The initial setup procedure is very simple and quick. So we'll start by tapping at the continue button once it appears over here. Then you gotta choose whether you would like to select Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can skip this step. And then over here you can change the data collection preferences, or simply allow everything that the Opera is asking for and start using it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.